Welcome back to Bella Boo's Lunches, or if you're new, welcome. I'm so glad you guys are here. This is our last week of Halloween lunches, and we are doing sandwiches. Let's just get into them. We're starting off with a mummy. I am just starting off by cutting circles into my bread. Boop, boop. There's one circle. This cup is from the Dollar Tree, and it's like the perfect size to make Uncrustables. So if you still have like these ghosty, spooky cups at your Dollar Tree, go grab one as your Uncrustable maker. We're clearly not making Uncrustables today because I cut my bread out separate because we have a plan. We're making a spooky sandwich. So I'm starting off with some mayo. And I didn't want to build my sandwich first because I also have a plan for my crusts. A lot of you guys ask me what I do with the crusts, and I keep them. I keep them for all kinds of things. These babies are going to go, I'm going to make a dip with them. I don't know the correct pronunciation. I'll try to put it up on the screen. I think I've shared the recipe with you guys before, though. Oh, shoot. I didn't mean to do that. Pretend that's not there. We didn't do that. Pretend that's not there. That's why I put extra on there. Bella, by the way, is like really into mayo these days. I don't know. We're going to put some meat on here. Now, I like to take my meat because, here, I'll show you. See how it's too big? Oh, would it work anyway? It might work anyway. But I don't like that. No, we're not going to do that. Pretend I didn't do that. You can just put it on there like that, but I really don't like my sandwich things to go over top of like the edge of the bread. Do you know what I mean? Like, I like it to just be right at the edge. Then I'm going to take a slice of cheese, and I'm going to just use my cup. My cheese fits on there all nice and perfect. And my little bread dude will. But look what we're going to do to our bread. I'm going to cut it. I've done this before, so if you guys are long-time watchers, you've already seen this. But this is the most simple, spooky sandwich you will ever make. Perfection. And then look, it's like a puzzle. We're just going to put it right back together. How cute is this? And you can kind of offset them a little bit to give them a little extra space. Check out these ginormous candy eyeballs. All right, I'm gonna make my yogurt purple. All right, we're gonna put it into our purple container. Then we got a banana. I'm just going to slice this puppy right here using my banana peel as my cutting board. Slide your banana dudes right in. Down here, okay, hello. Down here, I'm just going to throw in some Cheez-Its. Here's Bella's lunch today. Is it creepy enough? She is getting bananas, Cheez-Its, yogurt, and a mummy sandwich. So here's her lunch. We'll see what she eats. All right, Bella.
How'd I do? Cheez-Its were my favorite part, obviously.
Of course. Well, good job.
Thanks.
Hey guys, today we are making pumpkin sandwiches. I'm starting off by just putting a little dollop of peanut butter right onto my bread. Then I'm going to cover my bread up, and I'm going to use this guy to cut my sandwich out. And there's my cute little pumpkin. The bottom side is always the pretty side. And here's our other pumpkin. I'm going to color mine orange. Now I'm going to give Bella a little bit of a dip. So it's the most delicious dip ever, and it's perfect for any holiday party, not necessarily just Halloween. So I'm putting cream cheese in a little cupcake liner. And then I went to Aldi the other day, and I saw they have this red pepper fruit spread. This is how stinking good it is. We've like basically devoured the entire thing. You put this on top of the cream cheese, and you simply eat it with crackers, and it's so stinking good. So I got some crackers for her. And then I have this cute little pumpkin dude. I have some leftover black olives. Throw some olives into her pumpkin. All right, and here is Bella's lunch today. She is getting a pumpkin-shaped peanut butter sandwiches, some black olives, some crackers, and sweet and spicy red pepper spread. I don't know what to call it. Anyway, we'll see what she eats. All right, Bella.
Bella, how'd you do? Okay, that dip was like awesome sauce.
Yeah, that's my favorite dip too. Good job, Bella.
Thanks.
Today we are making mummy sandwiches for Bella's lunch. So I'm just taking this little guy is like a plunger cutter. I don't know what he's actually intended for. Maybe sandwiches. But see, he's from Pampered Chef. And I'm just going to cut out like these perfect little squares. You just plunge them out. Isn't that so cute? And then I'm going to take this same thing and I'm going to cut out some cheese. And I got perfectly shaped little cheese. And you can eat this. All right, let's start building our mummies. I'm going to take a little bit of mayo and just put it on the very bottom of the bread. And then we're going to start layering. I'm going to take a piece of cheese. There we go. And then a piece of spinach for our lettuce, and then another piece of bread. She's getting bananas. Did I say that? Could you figure that out on your own? Probably. I'm sorry. You know what a banana looks like. You know what I watched recently for my first time ever? I watched the movie Chucky. I'm going to give her some sprinkles to put in here. I already put some cinnamon in that applesauce, but I thought it'd be fun if she could like sprinkle her own little sprinkles in too. I'll add some sprinkles to it, but then she can like add some more. Not too many, just a few in there. Isn't that cute though, right? I watched Chucky. Tell me why I felt bad for him. Like he was just trying to make that kid happy. Maybe I watched the wrong Chucky. I don't know. But I felt really bad for Chucky. And he didn't understand why what he was doing was wrong. I mean, in the end, he like went a little bit wackadoodle. But, yeah, I mean, I felt bad for him. We need some eyeballs. The sandwich is supposed to be a mummy. Does it look like a mummy to you? That's my question. Anybody have any like good Halloween movies though that I can watch? Because I will tell you what though, I'm kind of picky with my movies. I like movies like what I watched when I was in high school, like I Know What You Did Last Summer. I don't like Saw. Like I don't like Icky and Owies. I don't like that. Okay, I added a few more decorations. I'm out of carrots, so my witch finger is empty. But I think this will do it. Here's Bella's little lunch today. Oh, no, I was going to put stuff on the bananas, but I think I'm just going to let them be. She's getting a mummy sandwich, some applesauce, and bananas. And that's her lunch. Her veg, I guess, is the spinach. So enjoy those 6 leaves, Bella. Anyway, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see what she eats. All right, Bella, how'd you do?
It was really good.
Yeah, it looks like you ate pretty much everything.
The sandwiches could use a bit more mayo, but that was pretty good.
Okay. All right, well, good job.
Thanks.
We are going to make one more lunch for Bella before this week is over. And let me tell you, you guys, it's getting cold. I'm not ready for this winter season to be upon us. I have a feeling I'm going to have to turn my heat on. And I am so sad about that. Look at it. We could have made an Uncrustable. We got to separate our bread a little bit. We're going to put our cheese on. It's add in our meat. Okay, so let's cut out teeth. We're just gonna use a knife and just do V shape. See, now we got some monster teeth. Okay, I have the longest bananas and they're super straight. So my thought is I am going to try to make like a banana split, but I'm gonna make it into a banana. Okay, it's not gonna be a banana split, a banana graveyard. That's what I'm going for. So when it starts to curve right here, I'm gonna cut it off. I'm gonna cut part of them off like this. See? And then I can put Nutella on it like it's dirt. I couldn't decide to do Nutella or peanut butter because, I don't know, peanut butter bananas is really delicious, but so is Nutella. Nothing beats Nutella and bananas. And also, Nutella is a better color. I compared them. Okay, my idea was, and it was really going to be cute. I have like these little cauldrons, and then I have this Jell-O, and I was going to fill this cauldron up, and maybe I'll just do it anyways and just put it on the side. But for her lunch, I'm just going to put it in there. I didn't mean to do that. I'm very big on not contaminating like other foods. So as soon as I dipped this in there, I knew I couldn't also dip it into my whipped cream. Oopsie. I just made up a little bit of whipped cream. So I'm going to put some into my Jell-O. Kind of stir it around in there. So we're going to just throw that down in here. Oh, yum. Is this how they make that Jell-O stuff that has fruit in it and marshmallows? Because I don't like that. I always try to like that, and I always want to like that, but I'm not a fan of that. Ooh, we could make this into one too. This is kind of a snacky lunch. I don't know. She's getting a banana with Nutella, some watermelon Jell-O. Hello, it's so good, mixed with homemade whipped cream, and then just a ham and cheese, a monster sandwich with this spider crawling on the monster's head. Ah! All right, here's Bella's lunch today. We'll see what she eats. You guys, I did not realize how kind of weird this looks for lunch. Okay, I made a little cauldron of it. I'll probably eat this or ask Bella which one she would rather have. Or maybe she'll eat both Jell-Os. I don't know. It's Jell-O. It's so good.
All right, Lunchabellas, how'd I do?
Wow, how was it?
Good. This was awesome.
Yeah, the Nutella graveyard.
Yes.
All right, well, good job, Bella.
Thanks.